Ooh. Oh. Almost calcified. His head won't come down.
It won't come down or go
and
up.
it won't go up.
And I can't turn.
And it's stuck at this 45-degree angle forward.
And I can't
and
turn
you can't
left
turn
or right.
left or right.
No,
more than like an inch or two.
My arms can probably go like that. That's it.
And
That's
what-
the extent of it. I
there-
cannot straighten them out.
There it goes. Do you feel any looser or
I feel a little bit better.
a little better?
You can even see that they're higher. They were
Yeah.
here before.
Yeah. So they're coming up a little higher, right? How are you feeling right now?
Better.
Yeah,
A
what
little bit
way?
better. Just the tension here feels better.
All right.
Doesn't feel like that anymore.
Yeah.
Feels a little bit better.
I was deployed to Afghanistan, had a RPG blast, happened in a very close vicinity of me, snapped my head over to the left side and felt like I got hit with a baseball bat. And ever since then, the right side of my body hasn't been the same, all the way, neck all the way down through the hip.
That kills, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, push. Good. And again, push. Oh, right there. Now try your arm.
Oh yeah.
It's getting there, right?
Yep.
Oh.
Got it that way. Ooh. One more. Big breath in and blow it out.
Oh.
There's another one. Got it.
It feels great. Like
Yeah.
I feel like a little taller, more upright. Like my arms hanging down a bit
So
lower.
move your arms now.
Yeah, that's
A little better, right?
yeah. No pulling or anything on it.
Yeah.
Like,
And the hips
yeah.
feel a little good. Can you go
Yeah.
into a squat?
Yeah.
You have good range
Yeah,
of
I feel a
motion.
little better.
I do notice that my neck, instead of going up and over, kind of
Yeah.
goes like this.
Okay,
I
so it's
click back.
tilted.
Yeah, and I don't know why.
Okay.
The same thing happens here. It's the same sensation of being,
It's not in a good position.
yeah, kind of pulled up instead of.
All right, I got
Yeah. Now I see why everyone laughs after that. Wow. Jesus.
Got
Incredible.
it. Got it. Got it. Let the hip come down.
Wow. Wow. Oof.
Big breath in. Blow it out.
Oh my God. Wow, I felt that all the way down.
It's a little, the bump is right here, the right side. So, like if it was a rainbow, the high point of the rainbow is here.
Oh.
That was it.
Oh, get out of here.
Is it breathing a little easier?
Are you kidding me? Absolutely.
No. Do you hear crack?
I did. Oh,
Crick,
yes.
crick.
Mm-hmm.
And how's breathe in now? How's your nose?
I can breathe equally out of both nostrils, and I don't remember the last time I was able to do that.
Awesome.
That's crazy.
So feeling down his neck, It feels like the right side's a little tighter,
when
isn't
I would
it?
put my head up, I'd feel like tightness like along like the neck of the line, like right here.
Okay. Wiggle your fingers a little bit.
Oof. Ooh. I be trying to hold the reactions, but I just can't. Ooh, you heard it was cracking before you even did anything. Oof.
There it goes.
Oh yeah.
Ear pop?
I've been wanting that to happen. It just never happens. Oh my god. Right when I was leaving work one day, I was going home and I got hit by like a truck. Like it didn't like run me over, but it hit me and I stumbled pretty far, but it really messed up like my whole shoulder.
Okay.
And it was just really tight and sore. But yeah, it was just the shoulder. That was really good.
It feels good now?
Yes, sir.
Can't raise it up, can't go back. Sleeping is like kind of impossible on this side, so.
How long has it been weird?
I'd say a good year and a half.
Okay.
It's just getting worse.
Bring that arm up.
Oh my God.
Higher, 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 higher.
Oh, wow.
Drop that shoulder. Don't pick it up. Put it down. Put the shoulder down.
Oh.
And hold it there for a minute while I give you a bear hug, okay?
Okay. Oh.
Do you hear?
Oh my.
Do you hear the shoulder spot?
Yeah, it's like. Oh. Oh.
Right there. That's the worst of it. Okay, now.
Oh. 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 Oh.
This.
Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Oh. Yo. Oh.
Lift the shoulder again. Is that freaky? So it doesn't take long if you're on the right
I
spot.
swear to God, I want to cry. Wait a minute. Because this has been like this for years.
Okay.
Oh my God. Yo, this guy is amazing.